Look, Gamma. Finally, we have found one. Oh, a young wizard. A student with amazing potential. Enough, perhaps, to save Wizard City.
Oh, really? Where?
Oh, a very, very distant realm. Oh, my goodness. On a world that does not even believe in magic. I wonder what manner of wizard they might become. Perhaps we should consult the Book of Secrets.
Headmaster Ambrose turns to regard you intently.
Answer these questions to find out what type of wizard you are. But now that we know what you are, what do you look like?
Remember, if you ever wish to alter your appearance in the future, simply pay a visit to the Magic Mirror Shop in the shopping district.
All right, then. What is your name? Well, hello, if it isn't our newest student. My name is Merle Ambrose. I am the headmaster of the Ravenwood School of Magical Arts. We're expecting great things from you, but first things first. To move around, my owl friend, would like to speak with you. What?
Hello! My name is Gamma the Owl, and I am quite pleased to meet you. Wizards test their skills by summoning fantastic creatures and dueling. To become a master wizard, you must learn every spell in your class. Wizards love to duel. The more spells you learn, the better a duelist you'll become. Oh!
How odd. Come along, young wizard.
You'd best follow the headmaster to the tower.
Who's there? Malice, dear.
Ambrose.
You are no longer welcome here. Why have you returned?
I'm here to resolve our unfinished business. Is this your latest student? My henchman will see to your little friend.
Hurry along, young wizard.
Don't be so sure.
Run up and confront them. Be brave. I will guide you. You've drawn these spells from your deck. Oh my, you're hurt. You'll need to pay attention to your current health. This red crystal ball, the blue crystal ball, when you're... Why so where were we then? Oh, right. Oh no, you're in trouble. Quickly.
Foolish creatures! You've let the young whelp heal. Defeat the whelp or you'll suffer for it. Use...
Here, the more. Quickly now. Pick another spell and... Oh my. That spell reduced the power of your own spell.
At last, you fools!
Cast this balance blades. This one learns fast, Maristea. Two can play at that game. I've got it. With a balance blade. Oh, excellent work, young.
Another time, and now I'll take my leave of this wretched place.
He's gone. Oh my. On the bright side, this experience when the now, do you have any what's that? You well then, this is the menu chat button. Comment to say something. You have the way. You can also hit enter, and you'll also need a spell book and a wand. There you go. No young wizard should ever be without them. I should say, oh no. But now, so if you don't, I'll summon you.